At Dervech Real Estate, we work with property owners and assist them in asset management, assist them to help build up and create value within their properties. And one of the items that we look at a lot with our clients is deferred maintenance and capital reserves, and understanding how to keep your properties in good condition in the future. With roofs, you want to make sure that you're having roof inspection and maintenance done at least annually. You don't want to just call a roofer when you have a leak. You want to have them proactively coming out, keeping the roof in good shape in order to preserve the longevity of that roof. And that's something that we work with roof vendors on and clients to help them, because at the end of the day, roofs are one of the largest capital items. When you go to sell a property, they're one of the biggest items that come back that buyers and sellers, that buyers end up finding out the condition on the roof, and it ends up being a major dollar component in the discussion of the transaction. Parking lots are good to mill and resurface, and then you want to keep them sealed every couple of years. The more that you do that, the better consistency it has for the longevity of the asphalt, the better it gives to the appearance of the way the properties look to tenants, and just to the public in general. You want to have your trees trimmed, once to 2 times a year. It helps to keep everything off of the roofs. It helps to keep everything from falling and creating more debris, and kind of keeps a clean, crisp cut look. You want to make sure the HVACs are being maintained quarterly at a minimum. Typically in a lot of the retail properties and retail assets that we work on, those are tenant responsibilities. And in the lease agreement, they will state that the tenant is responsible for maintenance, biannual maintenance, and should have a service contract with the HVAC maintenance contractor. So it's good to make sure that they have the contract, that they can provide proof of the contract, and that they can provide proof of scheduling on their HVACs. And you want to always just be looking and reviewing your leases and understanding what the documents say, understanding tenants' rights, understanding landlords' obligations, understanding option periods, understanding current rent levels relative to the market. We look at properties, we do a rental market study to understand what the current market rents are at a property versus the data set of the overall surrounding submarket. That's something you want to continuously do. Amongst other items which we discuss with our clients on how to help maximize and preserve the value of their properties.